Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your VSync setting in Destiny 2. To change your VSync setting, first open the games option. Do so by clicking this button right here, pressing the escape key or the corresponding key on your controller or keyboard. Then, from the games option menu, navigate to open settings. In settings, make sure you're in the video tab, and then in the video section, look to the VSync setting, and right here you can turn it off, set it to 60 or 30 FPS. I'll leave it at 60 FPS. And, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.